Why can't you tickle yourself? Your brain knows why. Have you ever tried to tickle yourself, only to realize that it barely feels like anything? Now imagine someone else touches exactly the same spot. Suddenly, your body reacts. You tense up, pull away, maybe even burst out laughing. The strange part is this: your skin doesn't know whose hand is touching it. So why does your brain treat your own touch so differently? The answer is that your brain isn't simply waiting for sensations to arrive. It is constantly predicting what you're about to feel. Every time you decide to move your hand, your brain sends commands to your muscles. But at the same time, it also generates a prediction of what that movement should feel like. So if you move your fingers toward your ribs, your brain already knows where they're going, roughly when they'll arrive, and what kind of touch they're likely to produce. That prediction changes the way your brain processes the incoming sensation. One important structure involved is the cerebellum, a region at the back of your brain best known for helping coordinate movement. Research suggests it also helps compare what your brain expects to happen with the sensory feedback that actually arrives. When the predicted touch matches the incoming sensation, the response to that self-generated touch can be reduced. In other words, your brain is basically saying, "I already know this is coming." But when another person touches you, the situation changes completely. Your brain didn't issue the movement command. It doesn't have the same precise prediction about where the touch will happen, when it will happen, or exactly how strong it will be. That creates a bigger difference between what your brain expects and what your skin reports. And that unexpected sensory information gets more attention. This is sometimes described as sensory attenuation, the brain reducing its response to sensations caused by your own actions. And this isn't only useful for tickling. Think about how many sensations your body creates every second. Your feet press against the ground when you walk. Your clothes touch your skin. Your hands move across your body. Your muscles stretch and contract. If your brain reacted to every predictable sensation as if it were brand new, your nervous system would be drowning in information. So, your brain learns to prioritize what is unexpected. That may be why a tiny, unexpected touch can grab your attention much stronger than the same touch you deliberately create yourself. There's another interesting detail. Not all tickling is the same. Light crawling sensations and the stronger tickling that can make you laugh involve somewhat different experiences. Scientists use the terms nismesis and gargulasis to describe these two forms. So, when someone else tickles you, your reaction isn't simply coming from your skin. It's a conversation between your skin, nerves, brain, movement predictions, and the unexpected information arriving from outside you. And that's the fascinating part. Your brain doesn't just tell you what you're feeling. It helps decide how strongly you should feel it. So, the next time you try to tickle yourself and wonder why it doesn't work, remember, your brain has already seen the punchline. It predicted the sensation before it arrived. But when someone else reaches toward you, your brain doesn't know exactly what's coming. And sometimes, just that tiny gap between prediction and reality is enough to make your whole body react. That's Science Precise, exploring the science of being human.